How to request a Physical Wealthsimple Mastercard. Hi everyone, in this following video I'm going to show you the ways to request a physical card or cash card on Wealthsimple. So in order to request a Physical Wealthsimple Mastercard, you have to first of all log into your Wealthsimple account. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Right on this page, you have to go ahead and select your cash account. So for that case, tap the trap bar icon and then go to activity. As you click on activity, go ahead and tap the login button. In my case, I don't happen to have a cash account, so the interface might be slightly different. So when you do that, you'll be able to log in into your cash account, and after that you can go ahead and tap the card icon at the bottom right of your screen, and then you can follow the prompt on the screen to request for your physical card. Basically, you have to provide in your personal information and then the color of the card and all that, and once you do that, you've successfully requested a Physical Wealthsimple Mastercard. So that's how you can request a Physical Wealthsimple Mastercard. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.